I think the house turned out better than the render. So 是有点感动的。And I like, wow, because we have been working on this project and render is always what all project owners are working towards. Which I think it is something that when I see, I was really, really very impressed and very happy. Like, wow, our render like that, when we show people, people are like, hey, your house very nice. But I think it's even nicer. So I got a bit of proud and satisfied feeling. Yeah, that's me. Hi, my name is Royal Peck. I'm 31 years old. Unfortunately, I am an entrepreneur, content creator, and basically a salesman.
Hi, I'm Megan. I'm 27 this year and I'm currently a lawyer.
Wow, 我赚到啊！Our house is a 4-room BTO beside Kallang MRT. So when you enter the house, first you step on tiles. So, hey, this is quite important because a lot of people now choose vinyl as their option lah. So tiles are a little bit more expensive, but we still wanted to have tiles because we feel like that feels a little bit more like home. Vinyl feels like my office and stuff. So we went with tiles. And then when you first walk into the house, you will see very long piece of fluted panel to conceal our bomb shelter. Then we have a lot of storages there lah. And then you walk into the living area. It's a 4-room, but then it looks a bit bigger because we hacked one of the room. So our 4-room BTO is actually a dumbbell concept, meaning when you first walk through the door, it's actually supposedly you will see one room. But we hacked that, so it's one room, living room, then bedroom. So it's dumbbell. But we hacked that one wall down so that our living space can be a bit bigger lah. So as you can see in the video now, then we have our living area, which is the sofa, our dining table is where the living room is supposed to be. So that is the living area. Then kitchen is an open kitchen concept because we don't do much cooking. So we can allow like some of the smell to come in sometimes lah. That's cool with us. Our kitchen is pretty big, I guess. For me lah, I think it's quite big. I have an F&B business. So actually when I cook, I also want my space to be like slightly bigger so that I can maneuver a little bit lah. But I also don't cook much, just when I cook, I will want to have that space. Then we hacked the door to the service yard to do up a new gate. Gate? Is it called gate?
No, door.
Door, huh? Then I think that's very nice. It's one of the pieces that I really like from the house. Then service yard, nothing much. We accessorize the house quite a bit. We both not very tall. So let's say we have our dish rack that can actually come down to our level so that we can easily access it. Hey, this is our house. We can contribute a bit.
You say finish the layout already?
Yes, okay. One important thing is about the cove. We have a very nice cove lighting in the living room that sort of segment the house. I think that's very important for us because it's like a form of like subtle space awareness kind of thing. So when you walk in, the cove lighting traces the living area and segments the kitchen and the living area. So our guests, when they walk in, right, they know what to do without us telling them where's the kitchen. Because of all this kind of very smart design in our whole space, right? I know this sounds quite fluffy, but it's true. They know how to navigate the house because we want this kind of thing not on the floor because that would be too obvious. Then I think it's a very nice touch lah. So something that our ID designer told us about, then we say, hey, wow, that's quite cool. Something we didn't know, then now we wanted to include in. And of course, there's a lot of round edges. And something that I miss out very importantly from our living room is the very big mirror. So instead of a feature wall, we have a feature mirror lah, I guess, the very round mirror. So first thing is feng shui. We need to have a mirror in the living space. And then secondly, more tangible kind of reason, it makes really the whole space looks bigger. So we have a very big round mirror in the living space. Again, with design at the side with fluted panel so that the whole house design is very coherent. So we really like this kind of coherent design throughout the entire house so you don't feel out of place. Yeah, then we have round edges, we have an arch leading to our bedrooms and our study room. So again, this is to somehow tell the guests or people who have stepped in the house that, hey, you are entering a different space. And then when you walk in the bedrooms, it's vinyl flooring, so it feels different this time around. So I really like that kind of design to the house. Sort of tells your body what to do. Okay, so other than hacking our one room in the living room, right, we actually also did some minor changes to our study and our master bedroom because we wanted our master bedroom to be slightly bigger. And then we don't mind eating the space a little bit into our study area where we are spending our time just working there. So we actually shifted the master bedroom wall into the study room. So it eats inside a bit and our master bedroom looks bigger. Because master bedroom is where we rest and where we have our own space. So we wanted it to be bigger. And also, when you walk into our master bedroom, other than the vinyl flooring, it is one whole panel or fluted panel that conceals the toilet and our wardrobe also. So that when you first walk in, you don't see anything that is like very striking. Everything seems like very concealed, and we like that concept a lot. So it's very spacious, it's very comfortable to look at. 很养眼, they call it, very aesthetic to the eye. And what you need is also just hidden, but you know where is it. Also can be made into storage spaces, which is our wardrobe, and also our toilet door is also concealed by fluted panel. So it is again coherent to the living space. So that's something that we really like also. Although I know Maito and we work together, we did actually see a lot of other ideas also. To get to know the selection process, cannot just go with him Sorry 老板我也是去看别家的We went to see quite a few, but then of course he is a friend also, and I have seen his work and everything. My wife don't know him, like we don't work all together. So we decided to still, we have to look around first, understand the market, then go with Maito So we ultimately chose to go with SG Interior because the project that they have been posting about on their social media. I think that was quite important to us because other than comfort, we also emphasize a lot on the aesthetic of the house because we are going to be the one living inside. We want to find the perfect home in terms of aesthetic also, not just comfort and everything. So after looking at all the quotation, all the different kind of posting on social media, we decided, I think they have a very good balance. So we chose SG Interior And Maito told me Brennan is very, very good. So that's also one of the plus points. While there are many designs in the market that are seemingly overlapping, I think what makes your home truly yours is the effort that you put in through your whole renovation process. And when you see it come to fruition and like that second when you walk into your house, you don't have to care whether it looks like other people's house or what. It's what you have planned and what it came out to be. And if you got really put in the effort to plan for the house, then you will feel that it's all worth it and this is my home, this belongs to me, as much as other people can have a similar house.
And it's also adding little elements that are uniquely yours, like your toys,
Thank you.
my plants.
Things that you like, you put into the whole grand scheme of things, and then it will make sense with their character and personality. Then it's truly your home.